In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Canva account. Canva has become one of the most popular online platforms for design, catering to both beginners and pros for creating visually appealing designs. Whether you're looking to make stunning social media posts, presentations, or flyers, Canva is an incredibly useful tool. Let's dive into the straightforward process of setting up your Canva account so that you can start designing with ease. To begin, open your favorite web browser and navigate to Google. A quick way to find Canva's sign up page is through a simple search. In the Google search bar, type in Canva sign up and hit enter. The first link that usually pops up will be the direct link to Canva's sign up page. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the Canva sign up page, you'll see several options to create an account. Here, we'll go through signing up using an email since it's a widely used method. Look for the button that says sign up with email and give it a click. If you already have an account, you might see an option to log in, but since we're focusing on creating a new account, continue with the sign up process. The next step involves entering your email address. Be sure to use an email that you have access to, as you'll need it for verification purposes. After typing in your email, proceed by clicking on continue. Canva will send a temporary verification code to the email you've just entered. Head over to your email inbox, and you should find an email from Canva containing your temporary code. Enter this code back on the Canva sign-up page in the space provided to verify your email. This step is crucial as it confirms your email's authenticity and secures your account. Now, after successfully verifying your email, Canva will guide you through a series of questions aimed at personalizing your experience. These questions help Canva tailor your dashboard according to your needs, whether you're using it for work, personal projects, or education. Don't worry though, you're not bound to answer every question, as some are skippable. Take a moment to browse through these and choose the ones that suit your purpose best. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Canva account, and you're ready to start tapping into a world of creativity and design. With your account set up, you can explore a wide variety of templates, tools, and features that Canva offers, making design simple and enjoyable. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Enjoy unleashing your creativity on Canva, and happy designing.